Hi children, happy morning to everybody. Today in this video, I am going to explain about the real numbers and their decimal expansions. So some of the examples I have written here, like 1 by 3. If you divide this, you will get 0.3333 and infinity. So actually this 0.333, instead of writing this many times, right? So you can just write it only one time, 0.3 bar. So it means, what is the meaning of this one? This 3 is repeating again and again, recurring. Same way, suppose we are taking the next example 1 by 7. When we divide this, we are getting 0.142857. Again the same set we are getting, that is 142857. So instead of writing this again and again, just simply you can write 0.142857 and bar. Means the same set is repeated again and again, right? And then the third example is 1 by 5, which is equal to 0.20. So now in this, if you see, the first two examples, they are non-terminating as well as they are repeating decimal. How you can say that it is non-terminating? You can see here, this dot, what does it mean? It is infinity, means it is going on. You are not getting the remainder as 0. That is the meaning of non-terminating. And repeating decimal means any one digit or any one set of digit may be repeated. In the first example, you can see this 3 is repeating again and again. In the second example, you can see the set of numbers, this full set is going to repeat again and again. So these two are one group. Same way, this 1 by 5, which is equal to 0.20, which is a terminating decimal. So now these two set togetherly, we can say it as rational numbers. So rational numbers means they should be either terminating decimal or they should be non-terminating and repeating decimal. Okay. So let me just write down in short way. So we can say rational numbers which means in two ways. One is non-terminating and repeating. Non-terminating and repeating decimal. And in the second case, terminating decimals. So this all the decimal, that is non-terminating and repeating decimal as well as the terminating decimals are called as rational numbers, or you can say all the rational numbers can be represented in the form of non-terminating and repeating decimal, or it can be represented in the form of terminating decimals. Yes. The next one now about the second type, because now when we say non-terminating and repeating, definitely there may be opposite to this also, right? There may be some numbers which having the condition opposite to this. Let's see some more examples for that and what is the name given to them. So I think you might be knowing now, that is irrational numbers. Okay, the second type, irrational numbers. So in the irrational numbers, actually what is the case? They will be non-terminating and non-recurring. So it means here the digits are not going to repeat. Non-recurring decimals. So these type of decimal numbers are called irrational numbers. Suppose if you want to give some example, let me write down some examples here. Suppose if you take root 2, which is equal to 1.14421 356 237 like this. So in this you can see here, see here the digits are not repeated, like 14 142 13 562 37 like this. The repeat means the decimal is non-terminating, as well as you can see here it is not recurring. None of the digits are repeated. Even you can give some other example which is known by everybody, that is pi. Pi means actually it is the short form of 22 by 7. When we divide this, we will get 3.1 141 59 26 535 infinity. So this way the numbers are going on. So this type of numbers are called irrational numbers. Yes children. So these are the ways to represent the real numbers with the help of the decimal expansions, right? So what are the case we are saying? The real numbers also can be represented in the form of decimal expansions, and how to find out their real numbers means rational numbers. The first case is if they terminated then, or the second case if you have the numbers like non-terminating and recurring decimals. So those numbers are called rational numbers. And the second type which I have discussed now, that is irrational numbers. In this case what we will be having, they will be non-terminating as well as non-recurring decimals. Yes children, so by this I am closing this video now. Let's see some more example based on these concepts. Okay, yes, thank you.